Video Traffic Genie is our brand new software that allows you to legally steal other people's video traffic and generate affiliate commissions in 24 hours or less. Video Traffic Genie 2.0 Review. Unique features of Video Traffic Genie 2.0. Some features of Video Traffic Genie 2.0. Keywords and hotspots are not limited. With this feature, you can search for keywords, videos and niches you want to take without limitation. Domain checker with one click of a button. This software has built-in domain checker for you. With one click, you can see if this domain is capable of attacking. Controls the age of the video. You can search for videos based on how long they've been uploaded by the author. Sort by view level or relevance. You not only have many videos you want, but you can also control the video on the viewer-related level. Easily export data in CSV and text files. You can easily download any file to your computer and organize it easily and quickly. Works on devices. It works on both PC, Mac and mobile software smoothly. Access to personal Facebook group. Here, you can access the personal Facebook they offer. Here, they will share the experience of the honest one for you. Video Traffic Genie 2.0 Review. Who should buy it? With the benefits you've seen above, Video Traffic Genie 2.0 is a great product for affiliate marketing, e-commerce stores, CPA providers, webinars. As long as you want to make a profit and increase traffic from videos, you cannot miss it. Even if you are a beginner who wants to make money from videos, but you have no experience in creating eye-catching videos, it will help you do everything with tricks in just a few clicks. 30-day guarantee and my promise to you. I tell you what, if you're interested in getting highly targeted, buyer keyword traffic using videos you didn't make, and for products you didn't create perfect for affiliate offers, give our software a try. Check out the members area, download our software, and go through everything at your leisure. You'll download and learn everything you'll need to be successful in just one sitting. Even if you don't have much time to spare, you have a long and leisurely 30 days to slowly go through everything at your own comfortable pace. If you don't think it's one of the most sophisticated yet simple software you've ever seen for getting instant targeted traffic, then simply send in an email request and I'll gladly and promptly refund your small investment. So, you really have nothing to lose. No risk. All reward. I have just eliminated whatever excuse you might have thought you had to not give this a try. This is literally a no-brainer offer.